ahead and follow. Top-down analysis. We're diving straight in. Swing low, swing high. How do we know this is a swing high? What did price print? April printed a bearish engulfing, or if you want to call it a tweezer top, but bearish engulfing here, which indicates what? This is the start of a bearish retracement. We got this impulsive, and this is the start of what? Corrective. Expansion, retracement, continuation. So we know this weekly resistance here. We got this monthly high. Price pushed above it, and what? Immediately reversed, creating a bearish candle pattern. Since then, price has pushed up May and tested the open of this candle and respected it. Now we're in this month of June, and price is up there. Also, we can do something like this real quick. Okay. There you go, what I'm looking for. Okay. Just gonna leave it like that. So, price came up here, right? Tested the open in this bearish candle, respected it, and now we're here again. So, in order to know what is going on here on this monthly time frame, you just use the magnifying glass and zoom in. So we're going to scale in and scale down to the weekly time frame to see what is price doing on this weekly time frame. What is price doing on this weekly time frame inside of this monthly time frame? Right. So current swing. We're in this swing low to swing high, retracement, and now what? In my previous video, I stated that we could be getting what? Weekly internal bearish structure. You feel me? Just as we did on the 8 hour. In my previous video, I mentioned this and brought it up. And, you know what I'm saying? Said this was a possibility based on what we were seeing on the monthly time frame. I believe my exact words was wanted to see if that monthly bearish candle pattern held weight or hold weight. And if we're looking for that candle to be solidified Then in this area right here, at the open of that bearish candle pattern, that bearish engulfing, we want to see price respect it and sell off, right? So when price also this weekly channel here, you can see price respecting this weekly channel that a lot of traders use. But look, it's the open of that monthly bearish candle that price is trading inside of, that price is respecting. And these weekly lows, weekly highs. These weekly highs that price is respecting and selling off of. So we got the 1 hit, 2 hit, 3 hit, but we seeing price roll over. So just looking at this from this standpoint, if price is respecting the high of this channel, then we know what price is most definitely going to come down to the low of that channel, right? Okay. So we got this swing high to swing low, retracement, continuation on this internal bearish structure here, which is, you know, the monthly bearish retracement. So we can get this pushed down, and then what? Just like on any other time frame, we will be pricing to get down into this area, and then what? We get the break of that internal bearish structure. Then that's when we will know that price is going to continue or is getting started or getting ready to start its bullish continuation. If for a fact that price is starting to come down, right? So in order to know what price is doing here, magnifying glass, just zoom in, scale down to the what? Daily. So boom. So now what? Now we're into the daily, right? Now, look. So now what's price doing? Price is, we know though, price is respecting previous week low and targeting previous week high. But we're going to look at the market and look at the chart for what it is. What is price doing? So price is inside of this daily bullish candle. Price came up and came into the close of this bullish daily candle and respected it, and now has sold off, respecting the weekly channel. Price broke below it, came up, retested, and gave us this continuation to the downside off of the high of that weekly channel. Broke below this previous week low, and now it's a previous week low. So what goes on during the week, it matters, but what solidifies this is at the end of the week when the weekly candle closes, where price closes or where price is at. So price most definitely can come down like it did. It has came down into the open of this daily bullish candle. Price can respect this and push up And if we get that massive push up, then we would be looking for price to continue. But we're just doing a top down, and based on what we're seeing on these time frames, we will be looking for price to push on down. But it's what is price doing here? Now that we're here on this daily, what type of price action are we seeing? And we're seeing this bearish price action. Retesting that, broke below this previous week low. And now you can get a rollover off of the retest of this previous week low after breaking below it. But how do we know, or how do we find that out? It's all about what? Scaling in. So now to see what's going on here on this daily time frame, zoom in, scale in, scale down to the 8 hour to get a closer look. What is price doing right now? So as you can see, price boom, correction, pushed up, gave us that retest off the high of that weekly channel, expansion. Now this is still in a bearish expansion because price has not bought yet. Price has not created a swing low. We got this swing high, and now price is what? Trading inside of this 8 hour. It came up, hit this previous week low right here. That's one hit. We are in the midst of the second hit. We 3 hours in on this 8 hour candle. Second hit, and price can most definitely roll over and proceed to the downside. That's what it's looking like it's doing, you know what I mean? Based on price action from the top down, market structure from the top down, the market phase from the top down, the elements of the market top down. And even here, if you want to get a closer look, you know what you can do. You scale in what is price doing on the 4 hour here at this previous week low after price broke below it. Is price respecting this previous week low? Got one hit, two hit, doji. We getting this week, like there's an hour left. We getting, you know what I'm saying? If price closed below this, there's another weak bullish candle after coming into contact with this previous week low. You know what I mean? And you'll be looking for price to roll on over. But yeah, that's how we looking at the market. This is for sure live, analyzation. You know how I do. Y'all get it real raw and authentic. I ain't rehearsing. I'm hopping straight on here, and boom, we going in. So, also want to talk about the previous trade I was in. Catching this bullish move here, and we was in this swing low to swing high, and then this was a retracement. Now, when price got here, and I also capitalized on this, I bought here, and price pushed up. But again, when price came into contact with the swing high of this 8 hour move, and the swing high of this 8 hour move here, what did we get? We got this rejection candle here. We got this rejection candle here, right? Price came into these swing highs. So when price come into the contact with these swing highs, is one or the other. Either price disrespects it or respect it. Disrespecting it by closing above, or respecting it by closing below. And what did we get? We got this rejection here, which gave us this failed 8 hour higher high, which then we knew trade was done, and then price boom, sold gave us this impulsive move followed by corrective price action, coming into this retest again to where we at currently. So got this, and you feel me? But again, we're gonna read price action. We're gonna take advantage of all of it. You feel me? But you know what it is. You heard it here first, man. We're always aware of everything that can happen in the market. You gotta be. You gotta be aware so you can be prepared. You feel me? We ain't gonna react to the market. We're gonna be riding the reaction. You feel me? We ain't gonna react to the market. By that time, you're too late. You're chasing the falling knife. But yeah, boom, boom. You'll see what it is, man. And then again, like, man, if only y'all could see my setup. You feel me? I'm on a 4 monitor setup, so I'm looking at the monthly, weekly, daily, and 8-hour time frame on its own monitor simultaneously. So, my zoom in and scaling in is on another level because it's just right here in my face, and I'm reading inside these time frames at the same time. You feel me? But yeah, you heard it here first, man. Snipe code, the candle rating guru. Tell your favorite trader's favorite trader. I'm on.